Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I do my lash extensions. I look really crazy right now because I have one like eyelash kind of done. Like this one kind of still like needs a refill, but this one is like I like try to like take off as many as possible so I can like do this video for you guys. But yeah, you would probably start off with like nothing on your eyes, but I'm just going to show you what you need for the video. So I'm going to use this Ardell glue, and this glue is the black one, and it's really good. Like it kept my lashes on for quite a while, like a really long time. So probably like, I don't even know when I did this, probably like 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago, I'm not sure. And like this is the side like still I didn't mess with. This side I like messed with a lot because I was trying to film this video for you guys, which is kind of bad. But yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I can still like use a refill in a few places, but for normal like everyday basis I'm sure you can like just get away with this. And also like some tweezers. These tweezers are elf tweezers. It has glue on it already from like the last time I did it. And also these lashes. So I have like glue right here that is dried up, but these lashes are the D mixed, and it's 0.20. I don't know what that means. And the brand is from LASH. So this is what this looks like. It comes in like rows of like different sizes and everything. That's I guess where the mix comes from. It's from 13 millimeters to 20 millimeters, and as you can see, like it's just really scattered everywhere. I use mostly 20 millimeters. I really like the long look. And yeah, so I got this from Amazon. Everything I bought off of Amazon. Amazon's my best friend because my school gives me Amazon Prime. So yeah, so I'm gonna just get started. Basically I just pour the glue onto this little tray. Pour a little bit, you guys, like, because this glue, like, just, you don't really need a lot. That is enough. Like, that is more than enough. I don't know if you can see, it's like right here. I just poured more than enough. And I'm gonna take my mirror so I can like see. And like first I do 20 on like the outside and like keep going down, down, down. I think the smallest I do is like 14 millimeters or 13. And I just like stick with like 14, 15 in this like right here because I really like my lashes to be really long and like kind of dramatic. So yeah, you're just gonna watch me do it. And first I'm gonna start off with the 20 on the outside. Take it and like take about just a little cluster of it. There's usually like 3. It's gonna look like kind of like that, and then I'm just gonna dip it in the glue, and I'm gonna lift my eyelash up and just apply it to the root. And then just flick it up like that. You're gonna just keep doing that. A lot of times I go on the top and a lot of times I go on the bottom, so I just do it so I can like have, I don't know, a lot of eyelashes on. And on the top, like, it shows more like if you take pictures, and on the bottom just like it looks more like, I guess, natural. Now you want to take a little spoolie I just bought this. It's like in a pack from the beauty supply store. But you can like take any spoolie. Like they have like some in MAC. You can just like take them. They're free, and just brush out lightly because you don't want to like pull them out because they're still kind of drying. You want to brush out and like give them some direction, and then keep continuing the process. Okay guys, so I'm kind of in a rush, so like this is kind of what it's gonna look like for right now. And yeah, I'll probably like go in and like do a little more, and like I feel like over time, every time like it just looks like scattered kind of, so like over time it just like forms kind of like this side like just goes up and like into place. But right now they're just all like kind of over the place, so I just like keep brushing them, and like over time they look better. This product, my eyes like look really different. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, comment down below any other things you want to see from me. Yeah, and follow all of my social media links will be down below. Yeah, see you next time.